Hi guys, so today I'm going to make kimchi. I already have a pre-cut kimchi here, and what I'm gonna do is just soak this with salt and then leave it on for at least good 15 to 30 minutes. Soak it with the salt, and then I wanted my kimchi as simple as possible. I don't want it with a bunch of calories in it, so with my kimchi, I will just add carrots and cucumber, and then the rest are the spices, you know, the herbs. And I'm just gonna dump a bunch of salt right here. Make sure your sink is super clean. You scrub it really well. Sanitize it really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I think I need some more salt. I love kimchi. Kimchi is very good for you. It's probiotic. It will help you grow through in the morning or whenever you're done eating it. So later on, I'll show you the rest of the ingredients. And like I said, I just like my kimchi very simple, not a whole lot of calories. Like, you know, some Korean people, they actually add some kind of a gelatinous flour to make a paste, but mine, I do not use those. So I just like mine simple, nutritious, and you know, lots of fiber. All right, I'll see you later. Welcome back, my beautiful people. So I am still mixing it, and I decided to add, because I forgot actually, ginger and turmeric together, because I like the smell of herbs in my food. Here's the ground ginger and turmeric. Add that in there, and then I am going to add this anchovy, tiny little fish, dried anchovy, and then this is Ifa's favorite. She loves that, except that this is so expensive. And then, guys, I also wanted to put some sesame oil in it because I like the flavor of sesame oil.
What?
Alright.
What's my favorite?
Okay, my sidekick is behind me. Just mix it. Almost done with this. And then after that, I'm gonna transfer this into a jar. Smells so good, guys. Sesame oil is just so delicious. I love the flavor.
I have to tell you something.
Yes, my love. What is it?
We have to cut
Oh
out.
my God, looks so yummy.
Mama,
This is my.
wait.
So
Mama, I have to tell you something. We have to cut out some paper like triangles, 2 triangles, and put tape on them here and
Alright.
here, because I want to be like a sugar glider.
Let me go and taste it.
Mama, I want to be like a sugar glider. I want to be like a sugar glider, Mama.
Okay. And this probably will take me 3 months to consume.
3 months?
Okay, I'll see you in a bit.
Like this.
Okay, so I'm gonna transfer it to here, and then my jar.
And then they hop on trees. And they go jump, and they can fly. Like that, Mama. That's how sugar glider flies.
Yeah.
They just open up their wings. And they hop on trees. And jump.
Alright guys, so my kimchi is done, yay, and it is in the jar right now. So what I'm gonna do is I will put this in the oven because it has to be in a warm environment, since we cannot bury it underneath the earth, you know, because that's what the traditional kimchi is supposed to be. You have to bury it you know, underneath, cover it with soil, but I don't like that idea actually, in my own opinion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it in the oven, and then I will leave it there for 3 days. But from time to time you have to check, because they will bubble, because the fermentation will start. So you have to check and then stir it, and then just keep stirring it, you know, until you get that bubble out. And then so I usually leave it for 3 days, and then after that I will put it in the refrigerator. So alrighty, I will put this in the oven. So this is day 2 of my kimchi. I'm just going to open it to release some gas from this jar. And then you can see it has a little bit of bubbly came up. Alright, and then I'll just go ahead and stir it a little bit.
I help.
Day 2 of this kimchi. And I'm gonna open it, release the air. Ooh, look at that bubbling. Beautiful. They smell so good, guys. Bubble. And it's fermenting right now. Fermenting. I'm just gonna push it down, release that bubble. Alright. I might put it out for 5 days actually. So it's up to you, depending on how sour, you know, the sourness you like. So the longer it gets outside, the longer you put it outside, the sour it gets, and the vegetable will get ripened more. So it's up to you. I think I'm gonna have to put it for 5 days outside, and then when it's done I'll put it in the refrigerator. Alrighty.
Alright.
Just let that bubble out. Press it down.
Can I do it too?
Alright. It looks beautiful. I can't wait to eat this beautiful kimchi.
Can I do it?
Alright, just push one. That's good. My beautiful kimchi. It's going to be delicious and healthy. Alright, that's good enough. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven. Alright, I think this kimchi is about done fermenting. So I'm just going to go ahead and let that bubble out one more time, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator, and it's done. Yeah, no, it smells so good, guys. And you can consume this now. You can eat it now, because it's done fermenting. Alrighty.